Hi guys! Why hasn't anyone talked about this aloe vera life hack? I learned about it from my beautician. Let's make it at home together. To do this, we'll need to cut the aloe vera into small pieces and put it all through a blender. Then separate the excess through a sieve to get one liquid. Add 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of honey. This have a rejuvenating effect and improve blood circulation to the skin of the face. They moisturize well. Mix everything well and pour into an ice cube tray. And finally, our aloe vera moisturizing cubes are ready. Try this beauty method and you will be surprised by the results. This life hack will return your old hair ties to their original appearance. Method 1. Put the hair tie in a container and add boiled water. This method works. Method 2. Heat the hair tie with hot air. This method also works. Share your opinion in the comments. I was shocked when I found out about this hack. It turns out that if you freeze a cucumber, you will get a great face pop, which will moisturize your skin on your face and remove morning puffiness. Remove the dark circles under the eyes. You can freeze not only cucumber, but also other fruits. And also you use as strawberries and bananas. They are rich in vitamin C and more. Your skin will receive organic microelements. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more great content. And share in the comments from which country you watch my videos.